Today let's learn about conducting system of heart, cardiac cycle, functions of heart. Check part 1 for anatomy of heart. Conducting system of the heart. The heart has a specialized electrical conduction system that generates and transmits impulses, ensuring rhythmic contractions. 1. Sinoatrial node, located in the right atrium near the opening of the superior vena cava. Known as the natural pacemaker of the heart. Generates electrical impulses automatically. Initiates each heartbeat. Atrioventricular node, located in the lower part of the right atrium. Receives impulses from the synode. Delays the impulse briefly, allowing the atria to contract and fill the ventricles with blood. Bundle of His or AV bundle conducts impulses from the AV node to the ventricles. Travels through the interventricular septum. Right and left bundle branches divide from the bundle of His. Carry impulses toward the apex of the heart. Purkinje fibers spread throughout the ventricular walls. Distribute electrical impulses rapidly. Cause the ventricles to contract simultaneously and efficiently. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that occurs during one complete heartbeat. It includes the contraction and relaxation of the atria and ventricles. A normal cardiac cycle lasts about 0.8 seconds at a heart rate of 75 beats. Cardiac cycle has three main stages: atrial systole, ventricular systole, complete diastole. The cardiac cycle begins when the synode generates an electrical impulse. The impulse spreads through both atria, causing them to contract. Right atrium contracts. Left atrium contracts. Blood is pushed into the ventricles through the tricuspid and mitral valves. At this stage, the ventricles become completely filled with blood. Though ventricular systole, 0.3 seconds, the electrical impulse reaches the ventricles through the AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. The ventricles begin to contract. What happens first? As ventricular pressure rises, tricuspid valve closes. Mitral valve closes. This produces the first heart sound, lub. Blood ejection phase. When ventricular pressure becomes greater than the pressure in the arteries, pulmonary valve opens. Aortic valve opens. Blood is pumped from the right ventricle to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. From the left ventricle to the body through the aorta. Complete cardiac diastole, 0.4 seconds. After pumping blood, the ventricles begin to relax. What happens? Ventricular pressure falls. Aortic valve closes. Pulmonary valve closes. This produces the second heart sound, dub. As relaxation continues, blood flows into the atria from the veins. Tricuspid and mitral valves open. Blood flows passively into the ventricles. The heart chambers refill with blood and prepare for the next heartbeat. Functions of blood vessels. Blood vessels form a network that transports blood throughout the body. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Usually transport oxygenated blood. Have thick, elastic walls. Veins carry blood toward the heart. Usually transport deoxygenated blood. Contain valves to prevent backflow. Capillaries, smallest blood vessels. Site of exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and wastes between blood and tissues. Thanks for watching. The heart may be only about the size of your fist, but its role in keeping you alive is extraordinary. See you in the next biology lesson.